See thousands of Tesla EVs bound for Canada waiting in Shanghai Port. A huge fleet of Tesla Model Y and Model 3 EVs appears to be on its way to North America. According to footage from a recent drone flyover video that shows at least 3,000 cars waiting at the Shanghai South Port in Shanghai. The video, which was published on the Wu-Hua YouTube channel yesterday, has a description that says the neatly parked cars were wearing a CA mark, which presumably means Canada, where Tesla has recently started importing cars from China in a bid to prioritize American-made vehicles for the U.S. market, where both the Model 3 and Model Y are eligible for the $7,500 IRA tax credit. In Canada, EVs made anywhere in the world can benefit from countrywide and local incentives. So importing the cheapest variant of the crossover from China makes sense, as it doesn't affect the customers financially. Currently, the Model 3 RWD, Model 3 Long Range AWD, Model Y RWD, and Model Y Long Range AWD qualify for the federal $5,000 Canadian ISV incentive. Interestingly, though, it looks like Tesla China is not allotting the production from the second half of a quarter to the domestic market, as it usually does, and instead cranking out export-bound Model Y and Model 3 units. As previously reported, the made-in-China Model Y all-wheel drive long-range sold in Canada is equipped with a smaller 79 kWh battery pack made by LG, compared to the US-made Model Y, which has an 82 kWh pack from Panasonic. This results in a shorter driving range of 309 miles (497 kilometers), whereas the Fremont-made model can travel up to 330 miles (531 kilometers) on a full charge. However, as pointed out by Drive Tesla Canada, the LG-made packs offer better performance in cold weather and degrade slower than the Panasonic-made units. Rumors of a made-in-China Tesla Model Y first surfaced in November 2022. But Elon Musk quickly denied the Reuters report that said Shanghai-built EVs will be exported to the United States. Fast forward to April of this year, though, and the American EV brand started shipping rear-wheel drive crossovers to Canada, followed by all-wheel drive long-range units. The Model 3 was added to the Canadian inventory in May. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.